Good morning, students. Here today we are going to do a new topic, and I am sure that you all are quite enthusiastic about that. What is the topic of today? Isn't it? You are. Yes, so here I am there to teach you, and you are quite excited. So, what I am doing? I am speaking sentences. So, here in the sentences, like for example, when I say that I am teaching, so I am teaching is a sentence, and who is doing that? Who is doing the action here? I. So I is the subject, and then what am I doing? Am teaching, that is rest of the part. So that is a predicate. So, and in the other sentence which I talk about, that you are quite enthusiastic. So about what I have talked about? I have talked about you students. So you is the subject here, about whom I have made a statement. So are enthusiastic is talking something about you students, about the subject, that is rest of the part of the sentence. So that will be predicate of the sentence. So here today we will talk about subject and predicate. Let's start up with the topic, students. So here subject plus predicate, when we will merge both these two, then what will happen? This will make a complete sentence. Without subject and predicate, no complete sentence can be made. So now here we will take one example, that is the horse run in the field. So what we are talking about? We are talking about the horse. So the horse is the subject here, isn't it? And now what we have talked about, that he is running in the field. So run in the field is the rest of the part. So it will be taken as predicate. What we have talked about this subject, right? So this will be our predicate. So now here we come to know that subject is is who or what of the sentence. For example, what is there in the sentence? Whatever thing, whatever person, whatever place we are talking about, whatever idea we are talking about, that is, in other words, it can be taken up as a noun or a pronoun. And then about whom we are making the statement. So that will be our subject. That is, in other words, we can also say that a subject is the doer of the action. That is, who is performing the action is the subject. And then on the other side, what is predicate? Predicate is what the action has done. That is predicate. So here what the subject does is predicate, or how a subject is, that will also be there in the subject part. For example, there in that example we have talked about the horse run in the field. So there he is performing some action. So then we'll be taking up as what the subject does. Or sometimes we say that you are quite intelligent, or I just spoke the sentence that you are enthusiastic. So then what is this? Are you doing any action in that sentence? No, you are not doing any action in that sentence. So what is that? I am just simply telling something about you, about the subject of the sentence. So that is what a subject is, how a subject is. That even is the predicate of the sentence. So that is, in other words, what else is talked about, a subject is the predicate. So then the action is itself, that is the action. The verb is the predicate. For example, he, if I take up the sentence, he goes. In that case, he would be the subject, the one who is performing the action. And what is the action? Goes. that is a verb. So verb itself is a predicate. So goes is a predicate. And then that has a verb that is there with predicate. So now students, let's know some more examples and get this idea fixed in our mind that what is a subject and what is a predicate. So here, my mom loves me very much, right? So in this sentence, I am sure you are able to spot the subject. And what is the subject here? My mom, isn't it? And then what is talked about this lady, about mom, about my mom, that is loves me very much. So that will be our predicate, isn't it? Right? So whatever the action the subject is performing, that is our predicate, right? So now let's move to the next example. My friend and I like to swing at the park. So now here, students, please spot the subject in the sentence. My friend is a noun or a pronoun? Yes, and about that we are talking about something? Yes. And I like to, here don't you think so that we are talking about and I also? So then here my friend and I would be the subject of the sentence, because we are not talking only about my friend, we are also talking about I. So then my friend and I is the subject and rest of the part is the predicate. So here my friend and I is the subject, and then here like to swing at the park is the predicate of the sentence. Got it? Got clear? Yes. So now the next one is a cheerful boy is eating an ice cream. A cheerful boy is eating an ice cream. Students, now can you please tell me that what is the subject in the sentence? So here the noun or a pronoun is boy. So what this cheerful stands for? So don't get confused, students. Here cheerful is, though it's an adjective, but still it is added before a noun. So you will be taking the subject up till this. That is, you need not to erase adjective from this place. You need to add on that adjective also in as a subject. And that is why I have taken up this example, to make you more clear that a subject is not only a noun or a pronoun. Here adjective is also added on to a noun. So that is why you will be adding on this also in as a subject. So a cheerful boy here is a subject, and then is eating an ice cream. What the action he is performing, he is doing, because he is the doer of the action. So a cheerful boy will be your subject, and the action is eating an ice cream is your predicate. Now by the end of today's class, we have got to know about two things. That is, a sentence is dissected into two divisions. One is a subject and the another one is the predicate. So a subject is the doer of the action and the predicate is the action done. So that we have got to know. And I also added up in this that subject is not always only a noun or a pronoun. It may contain an adjective too, right? So students, please do more practice and make yourself clear with this topic, subject and predicate. So rest we will do in the next class. Till then, stay safe, and if you have any query, you can connect me. I'll welcome your queries. Thank you.